Have you ever ordered a new part or an accessory or something for your truck and you're going to put it on, you get about halfway through it, and then you look at it and you go, man, there's no way in hell this is going to go on, or this is completely backwards, this isn't going to fit right. Well, man, there's a question that we get all the time about our seat covers that people think something is sewn backwards, and it comes to the clips that are on the edges of the seat covers and how they hook onto a seat frame. Okay, this is one of the ways, which is one of the more common ones, and this is really straightforward. You get a little J channel with a hook, okay? It's sewn on the front face of the material. If this table here was your seat, here's your seat cover, it's gonna wrap around and just hook onto the metal pan underneath, just like that. You see the clip, you see the material, it hooks on very easy. Just like you ever use a bungee cord or a ratchet strap, here's the hook, just like that. I want to hook it on here, you hook it on. Very straightforward, very easy to wrap your head around, very easy, okay? Here's another way they do it. This looks like it's sewn on completely backwards. Here's the front face of the material, it's sewn on the back side of the material. Here's the clip. Okay, how does this hook on to the front? Here's your seat frame. How the hell does this clip hook on to there? That didn't look like any other bungee cord or ratchet strap I've ever tried to hook on to anything. Alright? Well, what they do is not actually backwards. This thing's gonna do a complete roll all the way around, 360, and then it's gonna push up into the frame and hook on. So when it's hooked, all you see is the material all the way around. You don't see the clip, you don't see the material. If that was the same principle you try to do on a ratchet strap, this sucker's gonna look like this. That would hook on, and this would wrap around like this, and who knows what, and what the hell, and you need about 10 beers to figure it out. You know, how's that hook on? That's not logical. But you know what? It works. It's the way they do it, and it hides the clip. All you see is material. Hey, tomato, there's a bunch of different ways to do the same thing. The end result's the exact same. If I can get the clip undone from there. Different clips go on different ways. It's gonna go on the exact same way that it came off. So if the factory does a complete roll where you don't see the clip, seat shop cover is gonna be the exact same way. Pay attention to how your factory cover is coming off, because the new one's gonna go on the exact same way. Check out these other videos here. They may help you out with some other problems you have with your seats. If you like this video, help us out, like, subscribe, follow us, all the above, man. Or you can always call us at the Seat Shop or go to theseatshop.com. Phone number is 214-710-2565.